Hi everyone, and welcome to Ushanka Show. This is Sergey Sputnikov, your host, and I'll be showing you fan mail today. And in the end of this video, I'll show you something really amazing I got today. But I also have quite a few nice looking postcards like this one. I love Ukraine. This one came from Rachel from Great Britain. It's actually a postcard. It says in Ukrainian "Поштова картка," really cool stamp, and it says that they saw this card at the fundraiser for Ukraine, and they thought it was a great opportunity to wish me Happy Ukrainian Independence Day. I believe I told that before. I remember Independence Day, the very first Ukrainian Day of Independence was celebrated on July 16, only once. And then they changed it to, I believe now it's August 26th or 24th, see, I even don't remember. But the first one was so close to my birthday, so I thought it was really cool. But then they changed for some reason. I need to look it up why. Yeah, this is one I got from Great Britain, from Rachel. Thank you so much. It's the second card that she sent me. I'm an old-timer. I love postcards. By the way, this is my mailing address, Ushanka Show, P.O. Box 96, Berrien Springs, Michigan, 49103, USA. Still made it. There was another card. I love Ukraine. I really appreciate you guys' support. I know I angered quite a few people with my latest video about Azov, but as I said, I wanted to show you what Ukraine version is. I said we'll find the truth later. Right now there's too much propaganda going on, but I offered you alternative, it's not alternative truth, but definitely Russian that will take the information as truth. This is really cool. Look at those cool stamps. This is from Chris from New York. Love your channel. Thank you so much, Chris. This is really neat. That's another thing I love when people go extra mile and put really cool stamps. It's also my hobby, collect stamps. This card came a while back, but I wanted to show you. I don't know if you'll guess where that came from. It came across the Pacific Ocean. It's from Kai Lok from Hong Kong. Just want to let you know that I always really enjoy your YouTube channel, talking about life in the Soviet Union. I hope you'll find this postal card showing propaganda painting from mainland China. Oh boy, it came a while back. It's back in September 2001, a year ago. But I thought it was kind of cool. And this is how you say USA in Chinese. And a neat stamp too. I don't think I ever showed this card yet. Then I got today also a postcard from Salt Lake City, Utah. My friend of mine used to live in Utah for a while. From Ryan from Utah, thank you so much. He recently bought my book and he appreciated Easter eggs because I put a little currency, Soviet currency in the books to have as a little surprise. So really neat, thank you so much. Then I also got this letter from Antonio, aka Retro Kid. He says he's planning to buy my book for Christmas. He wants to travel, which is I like when I assume Retro Kid is still a kid. It's nice that he has plans to visit Russia, probably not now, but also Germany, Poland, Czechia. That's big plans. And he was asking any good Soviet badges. Yeah, you can find them on eBay or Etsy. Etsy is a good spot to find Soviet badges. A little bit unusual present came from Canada, from Andre, French language magazine Croc. I'm trying to remember, he explained what he wanted to send his magazine. Unfortunately, I can't really read it, French. This is definitely, they're talking about Trump here, but that was pretty cool. Thank you so much. We'll go through it and check it out. And now, the coolest present. This came from Clayton. So a while back, after I made the video about Soviet watches, I don't know if anybody watched that video, missed it. My grandfather Sergey had a watch. The brand was Pobeda, and it was black face, golden arms, And every summer when I went to the village, I was asking him if he can give it to me because he never wore that watch. Being working in the village, people didn't wear watches; they just kept in a drawer. And he always would tell me, "Hey, maybe next year, if you get good grades, I'll get you that watch." But it never happened. Then he passed away, and I got that watch for a while. I remember it wasn't working because there was one girl that I was trying to show off, and I wore that watch even knowing it's not running. But I thought I'll look cool on my wrist. So I was in the 4th grade, and it's maybe still in Kiev. I need to talk to my brother. So, but well, he was asking questions. Clayton was asking me, "Hey, what kind of watch was it?" And I found a really model like my grandpa's on Etsy, and guess what? He purchased that watch and sent it to me. This is really, really neat. I'm so excited. So this is the watch that my grandpa used to have. Unfortunately, one arm came off. So I might need to talk to the seller, because I think that watch is supposed to be like tuned and fixed, but this is the watch that my grandfather had, just like that. Black face, little secondary Zifferblatt, as they say in Russian, maybe in German. But yeah, this is the watch. Oh my goodness, Grandpa Sergey. I wish you up there somewhere watching, maybe smiling. Yeah, my hand got bigger comparing with the definitely when I was a kid it looked way bigger than that. But yeah, this is Pobeda, the victory. So this watch was manufactured like in 50s and 60s. Just gotta figure out how to fix this matted arm. And while we're on the topic of my grandfather, Clayton, thank you so much. You really made my day today. I'm so excited. It's too bad that arm is broken, but yeah, this is a very, very sweet surprise. I feel very special. Thank you so much. So I went with my grandpa fishing quite often when I was a little kid. And fishing that my grandpa did was he will set up fish traps. And then once a day he goes and checks them and recovers fish. And he had a flat bottom boat, wooden boat. And if you ever went on a canoe, if you go against the wind, the waves will be hitting the bottom of the boat. And I was asking my grandpa, what is that noise? And he told me that it's a fish beating the bottom of the boat with its tail. And I believed him, so I was trying to catch that fish because it sounds like a lot of fish right on the boat. And I guess he was always chuckling, watching me desperately trying to catch that fish. A couple of days ago, my grandson was visiting us, and I took him in a canoe. And guess what? When the waves were hitting the bottom of the canoe, he asked me, "What was that noise, Grandpa?" And I told him, because I'm also Grandpa Sergey, I said, "Buddy, that's the fish hitting the bottom of the boat." And he was also trying to catch that fish, and I felt that connection. I was like, here we go now. I'm Grandpa Sergey, and I'm BSing my little grandson like you did, Grandpa. He was a funny guy. He had a rough life. I don't know if you watch my videos. I'll post below. I had a long video, long time ago, about his adventures during the World War II, how he became POW twice. Yeah, he got quite a life. He got lucky. Well, that's why I'm alive. I'm here, not alive, but I'm here because he survived World War II, survived to first German camps. One was in Smolensk in Russia, then another camp was already in Germany. Then he survived another camp, that was a labor camp in Donetsk region for Soviet POWs that Stalin sent people to pay the price for being traitors. But yeah, thank you so much. Once again, thank you, Clayton. That was a great, great surprise. I'm so thrilled. This is amazing. Really cool. So yeah, it's once again, if you guys would like to surprise me with some postcards, will be great. I'm trying to collect postcards and stuff. Address is right here. Once again, it's Ushanka Show, P.O. Box 96, Berrien Springs, Michigan 49103, USA. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. До свидания. Goodbye.